I will be running lessons starting March 1st for a month long of learning in the Seed Beads and More Facebook group for making French beaded cherry blossoms and cherries. Hi there, my name is Fen Lee, author, bead instructor, and designer here at the Bead Flora studio. If you've always wanted to make bead and wire flowers, then this is the perfect time to start while learning with other beginners just like you. I will be running a month-long bead-along inside the Seed Beads and More Facebook group, teaching cherry blossoms and cherries. There is no fee to join and you can provide your own materials, but I do have a kit for sale if you'd like to get one from me. The cherry blossoms are designed for the absolute beginner. If you have no experience with French beading, I will walk you through step by step on making the blossoms. The project is broken down into digestible lessons with prerequisite lessons for those that need it. And for those with a little bit more experience, I have a challenge for you too. The cherries are made with a more intermediate technique. There are so many varieties of cherries and cherry blossoms out there, and I based this design after a variety called the Northstar cherry. The blossoms for this variety are white, but because there are so many varieties of ornamental and fruiting cherry trees out there, you can take artistic liberty and make these in various shades of pink too. I released this ornamental cherry blossoms pattern about 5 years ago, and here are some of the ways that my students have interpreted this project. The fun thing with French beading is this artistic liberty even when you are a beginner. Happy beading, and I'll see you soon.